Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good and please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon if you haven't subscribed. Today I'm going to talk about the mehandi stencil I have bought recently. I know a lot of you people might not even know nor heard about mehandi stencils. Even I have never known that mehandi stencils exist until few months ago when I was just surfing through Amazon randomly and I just came across this mehandi stencil. As soon as I saw this, I decided to get them and try it out. So I decided to make a video for you guys so that you can also see how this thing actually works. I'm gonna put the price on the screen so you guys can know how much this costs for about. Also, I got two stencils for the price. Right here, I have got a basic design with flowers and everything. They also have given the flower design for the fingers as well. There are plenty of other designs, so without wasting our time, let's see how this thing works now.
So this is how it looks. Now peel off the design and stick it on your palm. As you can see, it doesn't fit properly on my hand. So what I did was, I decided to cut it out and stick them separately for the palm and the fingers. Apply some pressure over the design to make sure it sticks properly on your hand. Now take the mehandi cone and start applying it over the design. Be sure you cover even the smallest details so that your design comes out perfectly. Now I'm sticking the rest of the design onto the fingers. Well, it was a little bit difficult to stick the rest of the design as the mehandi is already applied on the palm. So I think it's more convenient if you stick the design entirely once on your palm. Let it dry for some time and peel the sheet off. This is how it looks. This definitely looks pretty decent because I didn't think the design would come out perfectly, and I'm really happy to see how it turned out. This can be very useful if you have any event to attend and you do not know how to apply mehandi or have any mehandi artist with you. Then this come in very handy. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until then, meet you in my next video.